G'day guys, Hussein from laptoprepair.sydney again. Today we're repairing a screen on a laptop Asus U36JC series. First things first, remove the battery. Next, remove the caps on top of the screws. Unscrew the screws that hold the bezel in place. Then remove the bezel. So far, pretty straightforward. So just separate the bezel from the back cover and unclip them. Bezel comes off pretty easy. Just make sure you don't use too much force not to break it. Now on this specific laptop, the hinge covers, they sort of, half of them is part of the bezel and the other half is part of the LCD back cover. So you need to flip the laptop to the back, unclip those bits where the hinge covers are, and then continue trying to remove the bezel. Sometimes it might take a couple of tries. Bezel is off now. Now next, this screen, it's not held by screws to the back cover, it's held by adhesive. So what you want to do is you want to try to get the adhesive, it's probably a couple of inches in. So try to get a spudger under the adhesive, and once you do that, it's easy to peel off. As you can see, where the adhesive is, there's bits and pieces of adhesive behind the screen. You also have to reapply the adhesive once, just before putting the new screen in. LCD cable, undo the sticky tape and unplug the screen. New screen goes in. Plug the LCD cable. At this stage you want to test the screen before you go any further, just in case there's any other problems, the screen has any dead pixels or discoloration. You don't have to go through a hard time to remove it again. This screen seems to be working fine, no problems. Remove any leftover adhesive. New adhesive on the screen. Align the screen well and stick it to the back cover. Remove the film on the screen. This film can be very tricky. We have many customers, many times they call us and say, look, there is some dead pixels with the letter F or the letter G or something, or a couple of numbers, and they're very fine that you can't tell that they are a screen protector. But if you run through something like this, just make sure there is no screen protector. Bezel goes back on. Make sure the bezel is clipped really well to the back cover. And the screws go back on the bezel, as well as the plastic caps on the screws. Anything we can do for you, please don't hesitate to call us, or if you have any questions, happy to help. 028081 2555 or info@laptoprepair.sydney. Thank you very much.